This is just a quick report on the latest results from the Juno mission. Juno arrived at Jupiter in July of 2016, and roughly every 53 days it completes an orbit of Jupiter, and when it's closest to the planet it takes a whole treasure trove of data. And a lot of what we've been looking at are from the public outreach camera, so to speak, JunoCam. And this is the latest result from that early this month. Juno just completed its 12th science orbit, and this is a mosaic of the Great Red Spot on Jupiter, this cyclonic storm that's been visible for the last 400 years or so, since the first telescopic observations of Jupiter were made. So that's one result. And then the second is there's another instrument on Juno that observes in infrared wavelengths. And so it's able to sense temperature differences in the clouds. And the higher the temperature, the deeper beneath the cloud tops it's able to see. And so they just released a set of data looking at the North Pole, the North Polar region of Jupiter. And I think here is an animation of that flyby. And so this is the infrared observation, and there's this whole series of cyclonic storms circling the North Pole of Jupiter. And what you're seeing, the yellow is warmer, and so that says that you're looking deeper in the atmosphere. The red cyclones are colder, and the warmest spot they're seeing is still about minus 20 degrees centigrade. But for Jupiter, that's pretty warm. So they're seeing, they think, about 50 or 60 kilometers deep into the atmosphere. So that's a nice, visually nice result. And as time goes on, of course, they get more and more of these opportunities to study the entire planet. So each orbit, they get a different area in the near-in swaths that the spacecraft is able to see up close. And so over time, they'll be filling in information about most of the planet.